Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start now by drying and trimming 1 to 1. 5 pounds of chicken so the coating sticks. Moisture prevents adhesion. Once dry, put the seasoned shake and bake mix and 2 tablespoons of oil into a zip bag or shallow bowl to activate crisping. You want the oil to bind crumbs to meat, creating a crunchy crust. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees and set a foil-lined sheet with a wire rack. This promotes even heat and keeps the bottom from steaming. You now coat methodically. 1 piece at a time, shake or press crumbs firmly so they adhere into every crevice. This gives an even crust. Once coated, arrange pieces with about 1/2 inch between them on the rack to allow hot air circulation. Overcrowding causes sogginess. Bake for roughly 20 to 28 minutes, flipping once halfway because turning ensures even browning and thorough cooking. Use time as a guide. Thicker pieces take longer, so watch for golden color. You finish by confirming doneness. Insert an instant-read thermometer to read 165 degrees, then let the chicken rest 5 minutes so juices redistribute and the crust firms. If you want extra crunch, move the oven rack up and broil 1 to 2 minutes, but watch it. Broiling can burn quickly. If the crust turns out soggy, make sure to elevate pieces on a rack, avoid overcrowding, and use slightly less oil next time. Adjusting those variables fixes most texture issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.